Hey everyone, and welcome back to Stock Strategies, where we give you valuable insights on personal finance, investing, and more. Today, we'll be discussing one of the biggest financial decisions you'll have to make when it comes to owning a car, whether to lease or buy. So if you are in the market for a new vehicle, be sure to stick around for our comparison of leasing versus buying a car. Intro. When it comes to getting a new car, there are two main options to consider: leasing or buying. Each option has its pros and cons, and ultimately, the choice depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. Here's a breakdown of the key differences between leasing and buying a car. Leasing a car. Leasing a car is like renting it for a set period of time, usually 2 to 4 years. When you lease a car, you typically have lower monthly payments compared to financing a car because you're only paying for the car's depreciation during the lease term, not the entire car's value. At the end of the lease term, you'll return the car to the dealer, and you can either choose to lease another car or buy one. Buying a car. When you buy a car, you're financing the entire cost of the vehicle. This means your monthly payments will likely be higher than if you were to lease a car. However, once you pay off the car, you'll own it outright, and you won't have any further payments to make, other than maintenance and repair costs. So, which option is right for you? Let's take a closer look at the financial implications of leasing versus buying a car. Financial comparison. First, let's consider the upfront costs. When you lease a car, you may be required to make a down payment, which can range from a few hundred to a few $1,000s. When you buy a car, you'll typically need to make a larger down payment, which can be up to 20% of the car's value. Next, let's look at the monthly payments. As we mentioned earlier, monthly lease payments are generally lower than loan payments, but you'll need to return the car at the end of the lease term. When you buy a car, your monthly payments will be higher, but once you pay off the car, you'll own it outright. Finally, let's consider the long-term costs. When you lease a car, you'll have a lower monthly payment, but you'll need to return the car at the end of the lease term. If you want to continue leasing cars, you'll need to keep making monthly payments indefinitely. When you buy a car, you'll have higher monthly payments, but once you pay off the car, you'll own it outright, and you won't have any further payments to make other than maintenance and repair costs. So there you have it, a comparison of leasing versus buying a car. Ultimately, the choice depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. If you're someone who likes to switch cars every few years and doesn't want to worry about maintenance and repair costs, leasing may be the better option. But if you're looking to save money in the long run and want to own your car outright, buying may be the better option. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance insights.